Hey guys, I'm currently on a buy trade on Crash 1000 Index and I shared this buy signal to my VIP members. We are moving in good profits, more buys expected on Crash 1000 Index in the coming hours and days. Yeah, so how did I know this index is going to buy from this point? And I'm still on a sell trade on Boom 1000 Index, as you guys can see here. I'm on a sell trade 2 on Boom 1000 Index, so I would as well have a trade breakdown on this index. But let's first analyze, let's first break down Crash 1000 Index. Let me share with you guys what made me buy this index from this zone. So on a higher time frame, because you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look for trade opportunities, I start from a higher time frame, and this higher time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. We can see that this index approached a low on the monthly time frame. This previous level here, this low basically, right? This was a low that was formed on, would say, months ago on 1st of January 2023. This is a year plus of this index forming these lows. Yeah, a year and some months of this index forming this low. So these markets approached these lows after a year after. Yeah, this index approached these previous lows. This point your price got to and gave this bullish move. The market was selling, then price got to this level, gave this bullish move. So market came back to the same level after a year and some months, coming to retest this zone which we got this buy move from. So the expectation basically would be price repeating the same move here, because if this market can buy from this level, if this index can buy from here, as it can give the buys from this zone, the market can still give the buys from this point on the monthly time frame. So the expectation basically is a bullish reversal on Crash 1000 Index, at least for price to come to this level to get to this zone. So I'm expecting this index to buy. I'm expecting the bullish move on this index. And on the daily time frame, we can see that the last daily time frame candle closed in a bullish formation, in a bullish engulfing candle formation. The last daily time frame candle, still you can see it here, closed in this formation. So I'm basically expecting this index to give more bullish moves on Crash 1000 Index, to give more bullish moves in the coming days and hours. Yeah, so how I was able to get my entry at this zone, how did I know this index is going to buy exactly on my buy point? So coming to the 4-hour time frame, I just keep breaking down the market formations, going from time frame to time frame. This index is still on a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, and I'm expecting a break of this downtrend resistance level, because on trend lines we have our support level and the resistance level. So this is our downtrend resistance level, which price just gave a little break out of right now. Price gave a little break out of it. I'm expecting more bullish moves. Yeah, and we have our downtrend support level, which you can see price give the buys on whenever price gets to it. Got the buy reaction here, support. So it's expected that this index is going to give the bullish move. We already got a first attempt after price tested this zone, this resistance trend. Price give a test on it and give it little sells before price decided to give a proper break above it. So I'm bullish on this index. I'm expecting the bullish move. So on this my buy points, I identified this zone on this index. Identified this zone. This was a zone of a zone where price gave the retest on after price testing this trend resistance level. Price gave these sells that came to retest this zone, giving price a reversal pattern formation and inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, having the head at that point, the left shoulder here basically, and the right shoulder formation which we are getting at this point. So me spotting this formation, I expected a bullish move on Crash 1000 Index, which you can see the market is giving already. So everything's looking very nice on this index. I worked with this market formation, this reversal pattern formation which we got here. So I took my buys on the 15-minute time frame candlestick close, right? On this candlestick close, I took my buys on this index. I've taken partial profits on the buys, and I'm still holding on to this index for more buys. First target level should be generally at this point. First general target level should be at this zone, the 5,469 price level. And we had this previous highs which price has broken out of. This was the previous high of resistance which price was broke out of. So we have the bullish movies that short basically on this index for price to get to this zone. So I'm expecting more buys on this index, and this zone where I'm expecting price to get to is a zone of resistance which you can see market reaction on could say is a key level, right? Because we got price, buy on this level, sell, 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 buy here, right? Always make sure you spot these levels, because these levels can be used as potential exit points and entry points in the market. So let's actually spot the market reaction on this zone, support reaction there, resistance at this zone, right? Resistance here as well, price reference resistance, support reaction at this point, support here, support here too. I've taken partial profits on my buys, so I'm holding on to more buys. Yeah, my SL is at this point, which I'm likely to move above my entry soon if you can get more buys, because this index could crash, then get my SL stopped out even without price getting to my entry point. So we got the last reaction on this zone, same price, buy and sell on this level as a resistance and as a support. So there's a possibility that if price would get to this zone, if price gets to this point, we could get possible sell reaction from this index. So this is basically my exit point on crash 1000 index, right? My first general target level on this index. We have possibilities of same price sell from this zone. I could even take shorts sells at this point. I could take advantage of the sells at this zone on watching on market reaction here, right? But the buy is expected to this level on crash 1000 index. It's easy to predict the markets using price action market approach if you understand the market movement, if you actually understand the market language and what the market is, the information the market is trying to give. They just have to work with it and take advantage of every good trade opportunity that the market presents. So that's how they take the buy trade on this index. And if price can give a break of this zone, we could see price get to this next level. This will be our next level of resistance. And I think we have a zone here at this point. We have a zone at this point. Each price could get to as well. So on the break of this level, we would be seeing a move of this kind on the 1 hour time frame, something of this kind. Price giving the break above this level, right? A break above it, price coming to retest it here. Price coming to retest it at a broken level of resistance, now turn support for the buys. Next target level would be at this zone. Next CP level would be here, right? And price breaking above that level, breaking above this level too, would be getting price do what, give the bullish move to this next zone of resistance. So that's my expectations on crash 1000 index. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's how they take the buy trade on this index. Let's have a look on BO 1000 index so I can give you guys a breakdown as well. So I'm expecting this index to sell. We already got a retracement. We already got this retracement here, right? We already got this retracement here, but still I'm expecting the sells on crash on BO 1000 index. Sorry, I'm expecting this index to give the sells. Having this formation we got here, this lower highs formation, the first high at that point, second high, and the third high at this on a lower high. So this is a base structure already the market presented, right? Regardless of this the little spike to the upside, this is like a corrective move. Yeah, the main move is a sell move, which is expected on this index. And we got our lower lows formation here. Always make sure you spot this market structure, because it will give you a view on the market, to give you a market focus, to give you a directional focus on the market. Yeah, so we got this lower highs formation and lower lows formation, which I'm expecting this index to give the sells. The last daily time frame candle closed in a bearish form, right? It's closed. This spike, this candlestick here is a bearish formation. This long wick with a little green body is a bearish candlestick formation. So let's expect this index to sell in the coming days and hours. I'm expecting this index to sell to these points, this order block level on the daily time frame. So that's my target level. This market formation, this trade projection gave me the sell view on this index, expecting the sells to that zone for the long-term buys. Yeah, for price to get to this order block level for the buys, it means that we're going to get this index sell to that point. So I'm expecting the sells on the 1000 index. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so my market structure was this lower highs formation, which I identified, and my entry point was supposed to be on the break of these lows. This should be my appropriate entry level, but I think the market would give the breakout here. So I had my entry there with my SL at this zone. It's my SL here. So if price can give a break of this low, then we'd see this index sell massively. And I think this low is the point, is the level which this index is finding it difficult to break below. But still on that, this index is expected to sell in the coming hours and days. Yeah, let's see what happens. And we have a level to pay attention to, which is this level, which price could sell to, yeah. So if price can sell to this level and break below it, then we'll be seeing this index sell massively. So this is our order block level for the buys. So that's my expectations on the 1000 index. That's my market view and market breakdown on this index. Let's see what happens. So for more trade reviews, likes and market breakdown, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Let me see, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.